If you're experiencing issues with Fortnite multiplayer not working, there are several steps you can take to troubleshoot and enhance your gaming experience. Follow these steps to resolve the problem. Step 1. Check server status. Visit the official Fortnite server status page to see if there are any ongoing outages or maintenance. If the servers are down, you will need to wait until they are back online. Step 2. Restart your device. Sometimes a simple restart can resolve connectivity issues. Turn off your gaming device or computer, wait a few moments, and then turn it back on to refresh the system. Step 3. Update the game. Ensure that you have the latest version of Fortnite installed. Check for updates in your game launcher and download any available patches to fix bugs and improve performance. Step 4. Check your internet connection. Test your internet connection to ensure it is stable. You can do this by running a speed test or trying to connect to other online services. If your connection is slow or unstable, consider resetting your router. Step 5. Adjust network settings. If you are still having issues, try adjusting your network settings. This may include enabling UPnP on your router, using a wired connection instead of Wi-Fi, or changing your DNS settings to public DNS like Google DNS. By following these steps, you should be able to enhance your Fortnite multiplayer experience and resolve any connectivity issues. Happy gaming!